Hello everyone, in this video show you how to connect Red Hat Linux in command prompt. First, create a Red Hat Linux instance. If you haven't have a key pair, simply create a new key pair and download it. This key pair I already created, so I use this. All done, simply click on Launch Instance. If you try to connect Red Hat Linux instance, you will get an error like this. Now, how to connect? Select the Red Hat instance and click on Connect. Go to SSH client. Copy this. Now open your Windows command prompt. Now type cd downloads and press enter. Now paste the key we copy from the SSH. Type yes and press enter. Now you successfully connected to Red Hat Linux by command prompt. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.
I